Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xiaomi TV model and input devices. That matters because menus differ. Once done, power the TV and use the remote or a paired phone/mouse to open settings. Navigate straight to display or accessibility. This is where zoom and magnification live. If you have a dedicated My Box or Android TV UI, choose display. For patch wall, choose accessibility. Make sure network and firmware are up to date, so menu items match what I describe next. You enable the magnification or screen zoom option and immediately test a modest level like 1.25x so you can see how UI elements shift. Next, increase to 1.5x or 2x only if needed, because larger zoom can hide settings off-screen. You then assign controls. Enable 3-finger pinch or map a remote shortcut so you can toggle zoom quickly. Once the gestures and levels are set, practice moving focus around the screen to confirm nothing becomes inaccessible. You finish by saving changes and rebooting the TV to lock in the new zoom behavior. If parts of the interface fall off-screen, reduce the zoom level or use a connected phone app or HDMI device to reach settings and reset magnification. If zoom stutters or shortcuts fail, update firmware and clear app cache. Sometimes a factory reset of display settings is the last resort. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Use an external mouse or phone remote to recover control if the remote can't navigate enlarged menus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.